I didn't even see. I didn't even see that lady there. So she was standing there in the window, sheesh. And I was just doing my narration and there was a woman right there and couldn't even see her. I think she said hello. If she done that kind of reaction, I might have thought that was a ghost or something like that. Jeez. Patio dos Velhos. We're going to be walking down this little alley in the Typhoon Category 8, the end of a typhoon that just went through. And the reason I'm choosing this one is because I see some interesting buildings. And I don't expect to see storm surge, but I'm going to talk about that as well. And we're going to maybe look for that slightly as well. But basically we are walking around in Macau, on the Macau side. We're not too far from the inner harbor area, which usually has the storm surge from typhoons where the water comes in. And but I'm going to walk down this little street because I haven't, and I'm kind of curious about that building right there. And we're going to kind of check it out and let you see a little bit of Macau while I'm walking around, seeing what it looks like post-typhoon. I'll tell you about that too in a moment. Stay tuned. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're post-typhoon. It's still Category 8, by the way. So I don't know when I'll put this video up. Things look relatively normal. But basically yesterday around, it was 2 p.m. yesterday, September 1st, they went to jumped to Category 3 to Category 8 for this typhoon. I don't think I've been on this street. I don't recall seeing this before. So basically what happens in Category 8 is that the buses stop and people go home and the businesses close, almost all of them. And then it stays that way. And then when it hits Category 9, which it did at 9 p.m., then the bridges close and it becomes like pretty hard to get around. Like you just have to stay inside basically. It's such a cool building right here. I kind of wish I knew the history of this building. And then around, I guess it was 1 a.m. that it went to Category 10. And now it's about 10:30 a.m. the next day, about 9 hours later. Hello. I didn't even see. I didn't even see that lady there. So she was standing there in the window, sheesh. And I was just doing my narration and there was a woman right there and couldn't even see her. I think she said hello. If she done that kind of reaction, I might have thought that was a ghost or something like that. Jeez. Yeah, she's just kind of standing there. Usually if you see somebody like that, somebody's filming, you know, usually most people would kind of like, I won't stare at them because they have a camera and it's kind of funny. Anyways, that's our patio. Patios are basically, it's kind of like the cars won't go through here. I think scooters probably could, but I don't see any scooters here today. So anyways, it's Category 8, so the buses are still not running and most things are still closed. But I got up and I kind of wanted to see what it looked like out here. I'm going to highlight this real quick. These right here, they put these up. These, you can put them up from here, but these are just flood guards. So the government issued these to all the businesses. They give them out for free because there was so much damage in the 2017 typhoon in particular that they yeah, the damage was unbelievable actually. This whole area would have been just, I walked around in here and I wish I had my video channel at that time. I did not. I took some still photos, but it just completely destroyed this whole area, especially down in here. So now they have all these storm guards like these right here to protect it. And they usually will tell you like the storm surge amount as well, so looks like there's somebody in here who kind of put more up there if he wanted to, so maybe he just stays in that place. So anyways, this is Patio, now it's Patio de Cravo. So we actually just, I think we went through 2 different patios. So this is Cravo, and then the other one was Velhos. So I guess maybe that building right there separates the 2. We got some police right here in our alley. So I'm gonna guess that this might mark, there might be some reason that that's say. Then this is our target street. It says Namaste Traders. I think that, let me just kind of see what else we got in here. So I think what we're gonna do is try to walk down a little bit and just kind of see the rest of those decos. So that'd be a different alley. That was our target alley, Patio de Cravo. And the fact that there's a few policemen here kind of tells me that there might be some reason behind it. So I'm going to try to figure that out in a little bit. But anyways, we're going to do a different video down that way. And way down that way is the inner harbor as well, so we get closer to the water. This must be off from this morning. People just picking stuff up, throwing away. Should be. Could be trash from last night. That's kind of weird. If this was from this morning, there would be tree pieces everywhere. But how would that not get blown all over the place last night during the typhoon? Yeah, I don't know. Looks like it's from last night and they didn't pick it up. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, our street was this one right here. And we're gonna end it right there on our street. That was our target street. So we're gonna end it right there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.